Assalamu alaikum, this is Salam al-Din. We are here in Egypt. Today is 28 February 2024. And we have 8 trucks of aid that's going to go to Gaza. This couldn't been happen if it wasn't for One Nation. Jazakallah to One Nation for support of getting this aid into Gaza. We know One Nation for many years. They've been doing amazing work all over the world. So please keep supporting. Ramadan is coming. Keep supporting One Nation so they can provide all the help to our brothers and sisters in Gaza. Jazakallah to One Nation and all of you. Assalamu alaikum.